whether carving picture on a steel plate or in the making of sculpture. There is no comparison of Chamba's craftsmen in terms of craft works. The craft works of Chamba is not only famous in India, but it is also demanded in the international market. The craftsmen of Chamba can even carve portraits on the plates. The work was first started by an 84-year-old sculptor, Prakash Chand, who has been awarded by the President of India.
मैं 11 साल का था तो
I was 11-year-old when I started this work. And now I have reached 84 and I am unable to continue my work.
84 साल का हो गया, अब काम नहीं होता, क्या करना?
Prakash Chand was 11 when he started this job. He received an honor for his craft works across the nation. Although he has started the job, he is now unable to continue it as he has reached the oldest stage of his life. There was a time when he was able to carve any kind of image on steel plates.
राष्ट्रपति अवार्ड मिला 74 में.
I received President Award in 1974.
मध्य प्रदेश.
Later MP and many other states honored me.
शिमला में दिया. और भी बड़ा सम्मानित किया जगह जगह मैंने को.
Now Prakash's son and grandson are continuing this traditional skill and attracting customers across the world. Their sculpture and carved picture on steel plate are sparkling into the international market.
ये थाल हैं वो जो फॉरेन कंट्री तक जाते हैं.
The steel engraved plates are highly demanded in foreign countries. These plates are used to gift others on various occasions. My father has started this work 50 years ago. He had first engraved portrait on the steel plate.
यही कोई मेरे फादर ने आज से कोई 50 साल पहले ये काम शुरू किया था. और सबसे पहले थाल जो है वो हमारे फादर ने बनाया था.
These sculptures have magic in their hands to carved and portraits on the plate, but it takes time. It takes 3 to 4 days to carve one portrait on a plate. Prakash has carved portraits of many dignitaries on the plates, including Master Blaster Sachin Tendulkar, Union Minister Anurag Thakur, Himachal Chief Minister Jairam Thakur, and had gifted them. Now his grandson has a dream to carve the portrait of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and to gift him.
मेरा सपना है कि मैं भी.
It is my dream to carve a portrait of Prime Minister and to gift him. Apart from this, I want to carve portraits of film stars and other legends.
फोटो बनाना चाहता हूँ.
People use Chamba's plate to decorate their home and to gift others on the happiest moment instead of using it on their dining table. These artists are also specialized in making sculpture, but producing artistic products take hard work and time too.
घरों में लगाने के लिए, इसको डेकोरेशन के लिए यूज़ कर रहे हैं. इसकी डिमांड अब सिर्फ चंबा में नहीं रही.
People buy these products to decorate their home. Apart from Delhi and Jammu, people across the country come to buy the product. People also book their order on phone. Sculpturing of large statue takes more time and hard work. Sometimes sculpturing larger statues takes 6 or more than 6 months. Price of the plate depends on its size. It ranges between rupees 1800 to 2000.
उसकी कॉस्ट अप्रॉक्सीमेट 2800 रुपया रहती है. उससे छोटे साइजेस आते हैं, फिर 18 इंच में आते हैं. उससे छोटा आता है जी 16 इंच में, कोई 1800, 2000, 1200, 1000, हर एक रेंज में हमारे पास थाल अवेलेबल है.
At the time of job scarcity, it opens the door of opportunity for the youngsters. But the pain of the sculptors and the father of this art is still the same, that government is not taking steps to promote this art.
युवाओं के लिए तो
For the youth, the government provides 2 months of training under the skill development scheme. But 2 months is not even enough to whole learn the skill.
चलाते हैं ये, तो 2 महीने में तो औजार पकड़ना भी नहीं सीख सकता आदमी।
Prakash Chand has handed over the heritage of craftsmanship to Chamba district. If the government pays attention to this, it will open the doors of employment for the youth, and at the same time, another name of craftsmanship will be added in the name of Chamba on the world stage. Bureau Report, ETV Bharat.
To watch 24/7 News Live, download ETV Bharat app.